You're going to want to see how I turn this average pantry into a work of art. This is Shannon from Skip to My Life. Today I am taking you along with me to my son and daughter-in-law's new home where we will be organizing their pantry from top to bottom. Well, this series started in the last episode. I am challenging myself to organize their whole home for just $100. Well, my son and daughter-in-law were so happy to move into this home, and it has a nice, generous space for a pantry. But we are going to make the very most of it, and we're going to start by taking a trip to our local Dollar Tree. I was definitely in project mode with this, and I removed the labels before I had a chance to show you these containers. They're two different sizes of the Sure Fresh brand containers from Dollar Tree. We also purchased 2 of these wire racks. Now, these are normally used in offices, but I'm going to show you how you can use them in a pantry space. To make the very most of your food storage space, whether it's a cabinet or a pantry like this one, you'll want to pick up storage items with corners versus those that are round. I know that there are specific organizers just for canned goods, but I love the versatility of these file trays. For canned goods, you can lay them on their side or stack them. We're also using 2 of these wire trash bins for onions and potatoes. Initially, I tried them just as is, but I found that the skins of those onions made a big mess all over the floor, so I ended up lining each of those wire trash cans with a Dollar Tree plastic bag. Well, I finally figured out the configuration that I want for this closet. Now, I hope I don't have any Swedish fish in my teeth because I've been going through their snacks and taking a little tax for myself. But anyway, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna leave this top shelf open for paper towels, extra paper towels. And also they both use lunch bags every day, and so we're gonna put those up on top. This shelf is going to be staple items, flour, sugar, those types of things. And then she really wanted to use these pretty glass containers that she got for a wedding gift. So we're gonna use those for all the things that they need to cook on a regular basis. This is even more storage down here for pantry staples. But then this, all these cute containers that have the locking lids that she really loves, and I don't blame her, they're so adorable. We're gonna turn this into a mini snack station, and I think they're really gonna like that. I'm excited to see what they think of that. Down low, she had requested that we put her crock pots because they were in a dark cupboard that was hard to reach. And then on the floor, they really don't use many canned goods. So we're just gonna put those on the floor, and we're also gonna put the potatoes and the onions so they're really easy to see and reach. And then she still has some storage space over here in this corner if she decides she wants to move more appliances. So we are busy, 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 and we're in that messy middle. I'll show you what it looks like on this side. We have lots of containers here. We have lots of trash. We have lots of things on the table that need to be sorted through in this normally really tidy kitchen. But that's just how it goes when you are redoing a pantry, redoing a kitchen. You have to be willing to put up with a little bit of mess to get the end result. Now I'm doing something called decanting. This is a little hack I learned from Catherine at Do It on a Dime. You will find that if you take things out of their original boxes, you will have so much more efficient use of your space. And I also like the added feature that we can see exactly what we have and how much is left. If you need calorie counts or expiration dates, feel free to cut that information off the box and include it in your plastic container. Some of you have told me that you have trouble getting a really tight seal with these containers, and I would recommend that you go over every corner until you hear it snap. I have never had a problem with freshness. It always helps to add a little light to these dark spaces, and we found a really nice handheld lantern at Dollar Tree. This light functions in 2 different ways. The first light is going to cast light inside the pantry. The second light can be used if they go outside to get the mail or walk the dogs. The labels I used in this pantry organization are included below in a free PDF download for you. Just click on the link in my description box. I simply printed them on paper and then affixed them to each container with clear packing tape. And this is my big reveal. We did end up moving some things around so that she has stations that are convenient for her in the way she uses this pantry space every single day. At a glance, it's easy to tell what you have, what you need to shop for, and where things go when they're put back. We were even able to clear a lot of space for extra storage of paper towels, lunch baskets, and other items. This pantry organization redo came in at $21.25, so I have one more episode left in my whole house organization, so you'll want to make sure to watch that next one and see if I can beat my $100 whole home organization challenge. And if you want to catch up, make sure you watch the video link included at the end of this episode. And don't forget, today is not the end of your story, so keep on going.